Hello, this is Terry, and welcome back to another Survival Craft 2 video. And we are back in survival again. I'm gonna eat the fish. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and also please sure to click like button as hard as you can, and subscribe to my channel, and leave some comments down below for more survival craft videos, like one or two or whatever. Catch a bird. Ah. I hear buffaloes. There they are. I wish the bisons were never afraid of me. Not two, but four. Hey, how you doing, buffaloes? How you doing? How you doing there? How you doing there? Hello? Hello there, buffalo? No! Oh my god. Why do the bisons not want to be friends with me? And they're afraid of me. They're literally afraid of me. Never mind. Let's go out in the snow, though. Snow? No! Yeah. I just haven't been in the snow, because I haven't been in the snow for a while. Yeah. Anyways, I don't really have snow stuff on. I've got summer things, but I don't really care. Hello, bears. Black bears. I think I'm going to call this bear Freddy Fazbear. What do you think, guys? Yeah. The black bear named Freddy. Yeah, Freddy Black Bear. Freddy Black Bear, yeah. He's like, why are you calling me Freddy Black Bear? Oh, I heard a moose and. Oh, it's a snow tiger! A snow tiger! A snow tiger! Being friends with a moose. Having a chat with a moose. Hello there. Hello there, snow tiger. Oh, there's a bison still running away. Hello, moose. Let's go over to the moose, though. Hello. Hello, moose. I'm sorry for trying to shoot you. I'm sorry. It's just that I wanted to be the animal hunter. Oh well. Snowstorm. I need to find a polar bear. Sorry, bless me. Yeah, the sneezing sound of in survival craft sounds like an old man sneezing. Yeah. Yeah. Where are the bears though? Man, I'm getting cold here. There's another moose. Hello, moose. I just sneezed all over a moose. I'm so sorry. It just wash yourself in the cold water. It's seems don't want snot all over your face. Yeah. Hello, bisons. Bisons. Stop getting scared of me. Oh my god. Reindeer. Yeah, yeah. I haven't survived ride a reindeer. Can I ride a reindeer? No, I can't even ride a reindeer. Imagine if, imagine if we could ride on a reindeer in the Survival Craft 3. But no. It's incredibly unfortunate that you can't ride a reindeer in this game. Yeah, let's go back to the non-snowing land. Let's go to the land where there's no snow. Yeah, we just looked around the snow just for a while. So let's go on the warm side this time. In the rain. Yeah, let's go to a desert. Desert, 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 desert. Let's not touch any weeds in case we get stuck. Stick. I just spotted. I just spotted a stick. And oh, yeah. I'm gonna drown. 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 I got blue hearts now. Yeah, it's kind of my fault that I shouldn't go in the snow. Never. Because I've turned into a frost man. Yeah. Man, I just got a flu because of the snow. Why have I got a stick for? Did it? Did I just see something? Oh no, it's a piranha. Actually, piranha, you don't need a stick because you don't have hands. You got a teeth. Yeah. I'm going to get a stick just in case if I see any predators. I wish my hearts could turn back into a normal colour, like red, instead of blue. Yeah. I blame myself for going in the snow without any snowy clothes. I'm incredibly weak though. Incredibly weak. I'm losing heart now. Yeah. Just need a rest. Yeah, boss, I'm weak. I'm weak. Yep, thank you, Wolf, for making me so much better. Thank you. I need to run now. Yeah, thank you for the wolves for making me so better now by using fangs as weapons to make me feel better. The fang medicine. Go away, my old enemy wolves. You're my oldest enemies. One touch and I'm dead. One touch of the fangs, I am dead. It's a hyena. I didn't even know it was coming after me. There's another one too. Aha! Cactus protection time. Oh man, the coyotes are here. I'll beat you with a stick. Oh, you like? Oh, coyotes. Yeah. Ow, 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 ow. I got one heart left. I got one heart left. Oh my god, I'm weak. I'm weak. Thank you, hyena. As soon as I died, I said, thank you, hyena. Since I got one heart left. Oh, not more wolves. Come on. Why does it always have to be more wolves? Oh, hello, jaguar. Just swimming in a tiny pond. Jaguar. Come and kill me, jaguar. Come and kill me. Lose my heart. I want to lose heart. Yay, thank you, jaguar. Thank you. My clothes. I don't want to show my nipples to the animals. No! No! Go away, hyena! No! Wolf, could you go and deal with the hyena? Because it's just bothering me. Let's be friends. Come on. Fight each other. Go on, hyena. Fight with the wolf. And wolf. Go and fight with the hyena. I thought I had a Gmail message on my notification. Come and get me, coyote. Come and get me. Why don't I just go through the seed? I mean, weed. Weed seed. Weed seed. Yeah, I can't believe that those predators will never, ever, 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 ever leave me alone. Bear, could you go deal with the coyote? Those animals are just bothering me. Please, help. 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 Please. No, Bear, just murder the coyote, not me. Oh no. No. You know what? Just kill me. I don't really care. Hyena. Ugh. Damn it. I wouldn't want to go near the hyenas. Or any wolves or any coyotes. Let's just have some peace and quiet without them. Just bothering me. Yeah. I don't know why these animals keep bothering me. Like biting my butt and my face and even my legs. I didn't even see the hyenas just there. Yeah. Bisons, there's a bear right near you that wants to come and eat you into bits. And the coyote as well. No! 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 Yeet! Nope, I'm not going underwater because I'll drown.
Girls, PJs.
Okay.
PJs. Okay. Pajama.
But why the bison still up dying? I didn't see the coyote there. Oh, I did not see the coyote there. Bear, why not eating the bisons? Bear. Yeah, just bumped into the. Yeah, did you see that bison just bumped into a coyote? And they're just starting to fight each other. Stupid weed. Why does it always have to be the weed all the time? Please don't let anyone attack me. Please don't let anyone attack me. Please don't let anyone attack me. It's like making a pig noise. Attention all coyotes, bisons, and hyenas. Ah! Ah! No! No! Help me, hyenas! This bear won't leave me alone. Ah, no, 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 no. Okay, that's going to have to be this video, so thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, if you want to do some more Survivalcraft 2 videos, just don't forget to click like button as hard as you can, and subscribe to my channel, and leave some comments down below for more videos of Survivalcraft 2, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye!